Hi, this is Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to see Venn diagram. Okay, before we learn this Venn diagram, let us learn some basic things. For example, if I say a word all, then what type of things will come? For example, if I say all students are intelligent, so this is students and this is intelligent. So this is for all. This is a representation for all. For example, if I say uh, all all the all the singers all the singers okay, all the singers are beautiful, so singers inside, beautiful outside. So you can see all means it is like a concentric circle. Okay, all. What about some? If I say some, it will be a circle like this. For example, some students are good, some some apples are in red color, some apples are in green color. So I can say if this is apple, then I can take this is a green color. So some apples are green color, some green color are common to apples. Okay, so this is the representation for some. Okay, shall we move on to the question? So you know the difference between all and some. Sometimes if there is no difference, for example, if I say something like this, school. Okay, school, then beauty parlor, school, beauty parlor, then something like that. So nothing is relation between them, so this can be taken as separate, no relation between them, no connectivity between them. Okay, let us move on to the first question. School, teacher, students. School, teacher, students. How to do this question? First let us do any two things. Okay, teachers are present inside the school. So if this is teacher, school, let us take school and students. Students are also present in the school. Okay, so now you can see which Venn diagram you will fit it here. Since both the things are there, we have to take common here. So once we combine, what is the common diagram we will get is, we'll get a whole circle. Inside that you will get teachers, this is for teachers, and this is for students, because teachers and students nothing is common between them, and the outer circle is for school. Now tell me which Venn diagram from the above represent this. Teacher, this is teacher, this is teacher, this is school, and outer circle is outer is, this is student. Okay, this is student, this is student, and outer circle is school. So which one represent this diagram? I think option B or C. So option B, this one, right? The diagram is here, it is here. So this is the diagram for the first one. Let us move on to the second. But where is the diagram? Option B enger, sorry, where is that option B? Option B is there in third one. Okay, so my answer is 3. Even though option B, that option B where is it present? So we have to see third option. Next, let us move on to, since for the few continuous days I was presenting Tamil video, so unknowingly I am going for bilingual. Okay, passengers, train and bus. Let us go for the second one. Passengers, train and bus. Passengers is common. Passengers, they will travel in train. Passengers, they will travel in bus. P for passenger, T for train, P for passenger, B for bus. Now how to combine these two things? So let me put what is common there in the two. Let me put the passenger in the middle. This is for passenger, bus, train. Either side bus, either side train, that is not a problem. So 3 circles, one next to each other. Okay, 3 circles should be next to each other like this. So this is passenger, and this is bus, and this is train. So tell me which diagram now fits for that. Okay, let us erase the first one. Why? Because to concentrate on the second question. So second question, I think first option is correct. Okay, here A, I am talking now here. Okay, I am talking here. Now where is that A that we have to locate? Where is that A? A is there in third option. Second question, A is there in third option. So answer is third option. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Third question. Okay, what is this they have given? Female mothers and engineers. Okay, female mothers, engineers. Some females are engineers. Some females are engineers, and or you can even take rather than take some mothers are engineers. Okay, some mothers are engineers. And next one what we can take is all mothers are females. All the mothers, they are female, but still some female can be engineers. Some female can be engineers. How to combine this three, all the three together? So since it is overlapping one next to each other, only one diagram which will fit here is, I think, the option G. There is a minute difference between option G and option F. Why? Because option F I will let you know in the other question. Okay, option F, let me just tell it in the next question. Now where is this G? This G is in third option. This G is in third option. Since we are talking about that option F, small difference, let us go to the ninth question and check it out. How does the ninth question look? Okay, let us check the ninth question. Water, fishes, frogs. Ninth question, water, fishes, frog. Now in the ninth question, all the fishes are in the water. All the fishes are there in the water. Okay, frogs are sometime, please be careful with frogs. Frogs can live in land as well as in water. So what this is fish. Okay, this is fish, and water here frog. Why I am taking frog outside? Because frog sometimes it can live in water, frog sometimes it can live in land also. So now when you see here, there is no connectivity between frog and fish. Now this is an example for what I was talking about. That one, which one I was talking about? That, yes, I was talking about F. Okay, I was talking about F. So option F. So option F, right? So option F means you can check it out, which is option F in ninth question. Okay, please check it out, which is option F in ninth question. Okay, option F in ninth question is fourth option. Option F is there in ninth question for fourth option. Okay, now you can understand the difference between the F and G, very minute difference. Okay, once you understand that, you can do the questions better. Okay, let us move on to the fourth question. Writers, lawyers, singers. Writers, lawyers, singers. How to compare them? Some writers are lawyers. Some writers are lawyers. Some lawyers are one second. Some lawyers are singers. Some lawyers are singers. Some singers are writers. So all the three are interrelated to one to each other. So this will be formed only with this type of thing. Then only all the three will combine. So which Venn diagram fits this case? Which Venn diagram fits this case? So you can check it out. All the three combine together. So it is nothing. It is there in, yes, it is there in D. It is there in D. Now go to fourth question. Check it out. Where is D there? Fourth question D. It is there in second option. So fourth question answer is 2. Okay, fourth question answer is 2. Okay, next we will move on to the next question. Next, plants, food, animals. In the same way, some plants are used as food and some animals they take food, so we can take the food in the middle. This is a simple question. We can take the food in the middle. Okay, this side we can put animals. This is animals. And this side we can put, this is animals. This is animals. And this side we can put plants. So which Venn diagram is like this? We have to check it out once again. Question number 5. So which Venn diagram is like that? A, right? It is A. First let us mark A. It is there in A. But where is that A in 5th question? Where is A located in the 5th question? Yes, A is located in the 4th option. A is located in the 4th option. So my answer should be 4th option. Okay, somehow tricky question. Question is tricky, and moreover it makes us think more. Okay, let us move on to the 6th question. English, Tamil, Hindi. English, Tamil, Hindi. So there is no connectivity between English, Tamil, Hindi. I am talking in terms of words. English, Tamil, Hindi. So which option is like this? Which option is like this? So in the above we can see this, there is E. E is like that. Now we will come to the 6th question and check it out, where is that E located. So E is there in 3rd option. E is there in 3rd option. So your answer for the 6th question should be 3. Should mark 3. Okay, are you clear? Let's move on to the, before we do the 7th question, let us do the 8th question. Why? Because I see some connectivity between 6th and 8th question. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. So Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, AP, Madhya Pradesh. So there is no connectivity between them. Even though Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, they are in border, but there is no connectivity between them. So the answer is same as what we did in 6th question. Where is this option? So this option is again in option A, 8th question option A. But where is that A in 8th question option? Where is that E? Sorry, it is not A, E. Where is that E in option? Question number 8. E is there in first option. E is there in first option. So you heard right. This question answer is 1. 8th question answer is 1. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? Okay, next one. 7th question. 7th one. Earth, air and water. Earth, air and water. Okay, would you like to try? Earth, air and water. So inside, air is inside the earth, water is also inside the earth. I hope you have got the idea. Yes, your answer is correct. Either whichever you want to take air, whichever you want to take water, you can take. For example, let me take this as air, let me take this as water, H2O. Okay, and the outside one, and let me take it as earth. Now which option exactly fits? There is B. So now you have to see where is B in 7th question. Okay, earth, air and water. So now B is there in 2nd option. For 7th question you have to tell option 2 is the right answer. You have to mark option 2. 8th question already we have seen. Let us move on to the 9th question. Water, fishes, frogs. I think we have seen that 9th question earlier. We compared with the, I think, 3rd question as well as with the 9th question. Yes. And also we compared F and G. Okay, fine. Let us move on to the last question, 10th question. Red roses, red dresses. Now I want to tell you something. Some roses are in red color. Some roses are in red color. Some dress, what they have given, dresses. Some dresses also in red color. Some dresses also red color. Now what is common there? So red is common. Red I can take in the center. Rose to the left hand side or right hand side, that is not a problem. Dresses to the left hand side or right hand side. Okay, now it should come like this. Which option is like that? So I think it is given here. it is given here. Okay, now where is that A? Now where is that A in 10th question? Where is that A in 10th question? Okay, 1 minute. Where is that A in 10th question? 10th question, A is there in the first option, right? A is there in the first option. So your answer should be 1. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to share my video.